The world is facing two major crises today. One of them is the climate crisis, which we've all heard about. But there is also the biodiversity crisis, which fewer people have heard about. This has to do with the loss of many species of animals, plants, and fungi, mainly due to human interventions, loss of habitat, and of course, climate change. So these things are related to each other. One of the better ways of solving both problems at the same time is to retain forests that have already been growing for many hundreds of years, because this retains both the carbon in the trees and also protects the animals that are living in the forest. So if we can conserve them, we're able to prevent both carbon dioxide from leaving the trees and going in the atmosphere. And at the same time, we can help retain biodiversity, especially in the tropical rainforests, which are the source of much of the biodiversity on Earth today. So the major question we have is, how do we prevent deforestation? How do we prevent the loss of these tropical forests? We think there's a simple way to do that, and that is to pay for it. And the reason is because the cause of deforestation in the first place is that someone who lives near the forest decides that it is economically beneficial for them to go and cut down trees. And when they do that, they can sell the timber from the trees, and they can also grow crops over here, which can then be used to feed cattle typically, and these cattle can be sold for making burgers. Now, instead, if you were to pay them to conserve the forest, we can preserve both the forest and the biodiversity in it. So really, it's what we want to get to. In the rest of the videos, we look at some issues that arise in achieving this goal.